Can you go get it? James. James, look at the ball. It's over there. Over there. Look, over there. Hey. Look at the ball. Hey, hey, hey. Can you go get it? Go get the ball. Where's the ball? No, you're not. How about this ball? Ooh, 2 balls. 2 balls. You trying to see the phone? Look, see? There's nothing exciting. No fun. You see the balls. Go get them. Go get them, and then when you're done getting them, we can watch the video. But you have to go get the balls first. Ready? No, silly. It's so boring. Nobody wants to watch that. They want to watch you. Go get the balls. Go get the balls, Stinker Bear. What are you so frustrated about? Hey. Go get the balls. Look. Over there. Can you pick it up and bring it back? Okay, come on. Whoops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.